So here, after you signing into your YouTube TV account, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on your profile picture, and then you want to go to settings right here. Here on settings, you want to go to ratings filter at the left side of your screen between streaming limits and area. So if you ever choose any of these options, then your YouTube TV channels, show, or program will be limited to the filters. And keep in mind that this filter will only apply to the specific device that you currently set the filter. So if you do this on your computer, it will only apply to your computer, not to your smart TV, your smartphone, or any streaming devices that you use to watch YouTube TV. But don't worry, the way to access it is the same. You just want to go to settings by clicking on your profile picture and then go to ratings filter. And then here on the first choice on allow up to PG, PG means parental guidance. So if you turn this on, then all the channels or programs that are not suitable for children will be blocked or hidden. And if you do have a children under 7 or 9 years old, you can choose this one. And then on the second choice, on allow up to TV 14, it means that all the channels or programs that are not suitable for children under 14 will be blocked or hidden. And then if you do have a children under 14 years old, you can choose this one. And then to remove the filter, you can just choose on allow all content. And that's how to add or remove parental control on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.